Everything is frozen. You know those mornings when you just start early and everything just like, you feel like you're ahead of the day? It's not today.
It's not one of those
Not today, Ivor.
What you doing?
We're taking the extension cord with us.
Why's that?
Well, for two reasons. One, I thought it might be handy just in case you need to plug it in, but mostly because I can't get it off the machine. So it's coming with me. This is gonna be a little different with Blake here.
Yeah. Everybody say hi to Blake.
I don't think we've had him in any of our videos yet, but he's
yet.
been working with us all summer, all season really. And if you don't have a Blake, I recommend getting one.
Yeah.
Very useful.
Yes.
Very good to have. All right, so we got this oak today. It's really cold, -14 with the wind chill today. We had a rain and then it got really cold and everything's frozen today, but we've got this guy. We've got 2 power lines here to worry about. We've got another small bell line running across. I don't know if you can see it. We've got fence all around. It's gonna be a pain. So we've had a great start to the morning. Everything's frozen, stuck together. Take a look in the trailer here. All the chips, like I had to scrape them out. This is what we got. It's what I could get out of it anyway.
Oh wow, eh?
Yeah, it was all up the side, so I scraped as much as I could. And anyway, it should be enough room, and we'll worry about it later.
But hey, we have a Blake, so it's okay.
Yeah. So I'm thinking I got to take this down in a couple different sections, like to kind of try to drop these between these lines, and we'll just start, pick away at it, see what we could do.
Yep.
Get
Cool.
moving anyways, warm up. Hey, would you want to go get my harness out of the tractor?
Yeah.
We will need the tractor here eventually too. I think the key's in it.
Want me to just drive it down?
You can just drive it down.
Break time?
Yeah. Let's see if I can get this lift warming up. It's really slow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My cameras are really slow too.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
The only thing that's not slow is the Blake. Okay, so I think we're gonna take a break now and go get some grub. Neither Brandon and I haven't eaten yet today, so it's pretty typical for us. And he's cold up there. My hands are cold. Everything's cold.
It's coming though.
What?
It's coming.
It is coming.
I might, oh, maybe I'll stay where I am. It'll be okay.
Yeah, you can reach it. All right, I'm gonna go get us some food. It is so cold today, but it's fun. The tree's going well. I'm gonna get going and get us some warm food, and then we'll keep going. I think the boys are gonna keep going while I'm gone too. I think my camera's frozen.
This
Zoom is weird.
There we go.
It's stuck.
It might be. All right, that's all we got left. Huge slingshot.
Cool.
And a bowling ball, 5-pin.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get the tractor, bring her back.
Oh
I
yeah.
like it, yeah. Now we're talking. So I think we'll stack these on this side. And that way I can kind of get at them with the tractor later. I like to keep some of those straight sections. I think we'll just drop it on the lawn and
Reach over with the tractor.
reach over, pick it up, yeah.
Doing great, Blake.
Doing good. Everyone needs one of these.
Everyone
If
needs
you
a
haven't
Blake.
got it yet, supplies are low. Make sure you order yours now.
They're very rare now. Highly recommended though.
And I think the idea is I'm going to start dropping these in pieces on the lawn and then just roll them out of the way and stack them so I can they don't bounce too much. Oh, ready? It's right after this nap.
Can you let me out? Thanks, Blake. Back to work we go.
Yep.
Time to get these big pieces down.
Sorry, that really slid.
I know, I see that.
Hold on.
As long as you, it's okay, just here.
Give me a hand of that.
I don't know, but he's gonna get one.
That's cool.
If
What a shot.
it's like,
Yeah, so we just destroyed their fire pit. It's not a fire pit, a barbecue. Where do I want to move this? Yeah, because we don't need it in here anymore, eh? Okay. Okay. I get the fun job trying to work this tractor and not hitting anything or destroying the lawn to move the big pieces out of the way. So that's cool. You make it look so easy. Wow, that would have taken me like an hour to do. You just did it in 10 seconds. We did a little damage in here.
Good luck with the rest.
Good luck in your game tonight.
Thanks.
Oh no, we lost our Blake. What are we gonna do?
Now?
Well, all the big stuff's down, and all that's left to do now is clean up the big pieces, and Brandon can do that. I have a video to go edit at home. So, job went pretty smoothly other than the barbecue we destroyed, but they were really, really good about it. And it's unfortunate, but these things happen sometimes, and honestly, we've been pretty lucky for the most part. Most of our jobs go really, really smoothly with nothing broken, and yeah. Well guys, it's that time of the video again where we show you what we made for dinner and kind of debrief on the day.
We destroyed a barbecue.
No, a big random sliding piece.
Yeah, the ground was completely frozen. This would normally never happen, but anyway, the ground was completely frozen. It just hit in a funny way and just slid, like just took off, and just like a torpedo.
Yeah.
Kind of old barbecue. So anyway,
So sorry about that, guys. If
sorry
you're
about
watching
that.
this video.
That's actually the most damage we've done all year.
Yep.
And this is probably the last tree we'll do this year.
Yeah.
So yeah, save the best for last. And anyway, Jerry was cool about it, and check out their channel.
Yeah, Jerry has a YouTube channel, so go check it out. I'll leave a link down below. It's called Get the Fun Outside.
Yeah, and he gave us this beer, so he couldn't have been too mad at me. This is a pandemic beer that I guess him and some colleagues brewed, so we're gonna give this a try tonight.
Yeah.
So thanks, Jerry.
And while he's opening that, we have made some butter chicken tonight.
Butter chicken, rice.
Yeah, it's good stuff. Well, I like the color so far. Let's give it a
Okay.
try. It smells nice. That's good.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
Good job, Jerry.
Thank you, Jerry.
Very well done, and thanks for the beer.
And
we've got some axe throwing to do.
yeah,
They've invited
absolutely.
us out, and I don't know if we're gonna make it this winter. Apparently, they don't do it much in the winter.
Mhm.
But we're gonna mill some boards up because we can, and it's a lot better than just going to the store and buying wood. So we're gonna
Yeah,
mill some
for
boards up for them. We're gonna go out there and probably shoot a video of us throwing some axes around and stuff. It'd be great. It'd be a great day.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna mill up some of that oak that we took down today. So
Yeah, that's gonna make some really nice stuff.
yeah, we'll definitely do some milling videos throughout the winter. We're pretty much done trees for the season, but stay tuned to the channel. We've always got something going on. I'm sure we'll find something to film.
Always some shenanigans going on.
Always
Keep one.
shenanigans.
All
So
right.
thanks again very much, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.